All right, here we have the hip thrust machine / barbell hip thrust. Some people don't have access to this machine, so opt for the barbell variation, which we'll go over after this. So here we've just set up. Charlie is going to bridge up out of this position, nice and controlled on the way down. Don't let the plates hit the ground or the bottom of the pad hit or just bottom out. We want to try and keep tension on the glutes the entire time. From here, we're maintaining a slight tuck of the pelvis throughout the entire range of motion. This will ensure that we're not getting tension throughout our lower back musculature and keeping tension on the glutes. At lockout, this is extremely important. So you can tell here that Charlie is finishing with his ribs down and that pelvic tilt, which will allow him to shorten the glutes fully without shortening the lower back muscles. Do 1 rep with extension. And here's arching his back, not fully shortening the glutes, and no doubt he'll probably have a pretty hectic low back pump by the end of that. Here we have the barbell hip thrust. So if you don't have a hip thrust machine or just don't want to use it, opt for this variation. Here we've used just a rack, really. We find that sometimes the bench can be a bit too high for some individuals. This just allows us to adjust depending on the height and just for comfortability. So here Charlie is setting up with the barbell on his hips. He's going to bridge up, keeping the ribs down and try to tilt the pelvis to fully shorten the glutes. We're going to control it down and stop just shy of the plates hitting the ground and then come back up. We don't want you to hit the ground and just rest there because you're going to lose tension on the glutes, and just use more weight than you need to get a stimulative repetition or set.